Incremental greetings. Today I realized something, that one of the topics that I tried to import already was in my collection. I thought, really? And look what happened, is that I imported that last year, in September last year. And it says Internet Explorer is not ready to release the data. So something happened when importing it. I don't know what exactly that was, but I failed to realize that it was not imported. Perhaps I imported in bulk, because that's what I was doing at the beginning, importing 3, 4, or up to 10 articles at the same time. Now I do always one by one. But that's a quick solution. So I have the references, so I just click on it and import it again. So now it's on imports. Okay, so I will just delete that. So now I can just import it again, and that's it. So that's a pretty easy fix. So make sure that when you import, you are actually getting the content. Because I needed like 10 months to realize I missed the import. Now it was Wikipedia, I don't mind that because it's always present. But if it's a blog or something that the author can take down, or the website can be down, and perhaps you may fail to retrieve the actual text when you realize that.